Hey y'all, this is JT Works on Cars. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a new shift knob and how to remove your old one. So you're just going to turn it lefty-loosey like that and it'll just come off. It's not on that tight, it's just threaded on hand tight. Then boom. Yes, before you ask, it came off pretty easily because I did already loosen it a little, but like I said, you just grab it. This looks a little sus, I know, but you're just going to twist it. But obviously where the shift knob is. Then you're gonna grab your new shift knob. I got the OEM STI one because I really love the feeling of leather wrapped metal shift knobs, and you're just gonna thread it on like that. Simple thread, spin off, spin on. Man, this looks very sus, you know. I don't blame you guys if you think anything weird, but actually I think I made it too tight. There. Now it's fully installed. And that's how you install a shift knob on a BRZ and a GR86.